Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to write name on lock screen. Friends, you want to write name on your lock screen, you want to show your name on your lock screen. So friends, now let's see how to write name on lock screen one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all we will turn on Redmi mobile setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, and friends we will turn on lock screen setting. After turn on guys lock screen setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, how to add tags on lock screen, how to write name on lock screen, how to show our name on lock screen. Lock screen clock format setting, we will select lock screen owner info. So friends, now you can set your name here, you can write your name. For an example friends, I will enter my name, okay, Rohit. You want to add any emojis, so friends you want to add, and you can show emojis on your lock screen like that friends. You want to add, you want to show, so you can show emojis on your lock screen. Save option, tap here, come back. After write name, after return your name, so friends off your screen. When you will turn on your mobile screen, on your lock screen your name will show Rohit. So friends, you want to write name on your lock screen, you want to use Redmi mobile lock screen settings, so you can on and you can use. Tap on your lock screen setting, lock screen clock format setting, lock screen owner info setting. If you tap here, so you can use your lock screen owner info setting, and you can write your name, you can change your name also. So friends, now I will change here Mohit. I will enter my friend name Mohit. Save option, lock your screen. Friends, you can see when you will on your screen, your name will change. Name will show here Mohit, not Rohit. So friends, you want to write your name on your lock screen, you want to show your name on your lock screen, so you can show and you can write name on your lock screen. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If in doubt, you have any problem in Redmi my lock screen setting, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. And friends, you don't want to show your name on your lock screen, so you can remove OK option, tap here off your screen, and friends you can check name will remove, name will not show on your lock screen. Bye.